can sleep over in my house and we're gonna vlog the night and yeah. Oh my god!
Chill guys, I think it's just a blackout.
Do you guys want to hear a story?
Yeah.
Yes,
sure.
Come, let's start.
Guys, you know, when I was young, I thought of my spin teacher wanting to check our nails. Then I ran downstairs and I took a nail clipper and started clipping my nails. Suddenly, I heard someone walking closer and closer to me. No.
Oh my god.
And then I realized that it was my grandma. Telling me the creepiest thing ever. Which is that you cannot cut nails during the midnight. Why? That's the story.
When I was younger, just like Tiffany, my family used to have superstitions. So one day, me and my sister, we were using umbrellas and we were like playing sword fighting. And by accident, I clicked on the button and the umbrella opened. And at that moment, my whole family turned to look at me. And my mom told me that if I ever did that again, something supernatural will look for me in the middle of the night. Oh my god.
I want to tell you, one day I was young, I go into the restaurant, the food not yet come. So I play with the cutlery and my dad started screaming at me. He told me that don't ever play with your cutlery. This is because the ghost will come to you.
I have a story, guys. It's slightly different from the others. So, I was having dinner and then I placed my chopsticks vertically into the bowl. That night itself, I had a nightmare. My ancestors told me that they would have a terrible afterlife if I do that.
Oh my god, no.
No, mine is the most creepiest. During I'm young, my parents used to tell me that if I didn't finish my food, my future husband will be his face will full of pimples. Then I'm still thinking it until now.
Guys, there are no such thing as ghosts. So for my story, guys, adults always used to tell us that we cannot cut nails in the midnight. It's because you might hurt yourself. And well, I think mine is because like similarly, like they didn't want us to play with the umbrellas indoor because when you open it, it might just hurt someone.
Actually, mine is just about table manner.
And mine is actually respect, especially when you're eating.
Our parents just want us to finish all the food.
Yep, so what?
Yep. Yeah, so there's no such thing as ghosts, guys, and yeah, we're just gonna end the vlog here and like bye bye.